All right, English 12 for Thursday. Last assignment of this week. Still continuing with Their Eyes Were Watching God. So your previous assignment was to read chapters 9 and 10. And I had you compare Jody's funeral compared to Willie's. Hopefully that was pretty darn obvious. Okay. Also, I had you talk about what was maybe symbolic of Janie burning her head rags. Okay, there could be more than one right answer there, but maybe think back to the mule story a little bit. Okay, and just, Janie's life in general. Not to mention that was obviously some headwear that, that African Americans would wear during slavery times and after. All right, so kind of wrap your head around all that stuff. And then the last thing I asked you about chapter 9 was to tell us what we found out about her feelings toward Nanny / her grandma. Okay, and I know some people that's turned the assignment already, they were pretty surprised by that. Okay, and then the last thing I asked you to do, hopefully that got on there, is just to tell me what you would like to teach somebody. Like I said, TK teaches Janie how to play chess or checkers. So, what would be something you would like to turn somebody on to? Okay, so our focus for today is to read chapters 11 and 12. They're very, very short. Okay, and you're going to be looking for how Tea Cake treats Janie compared to her previous husbands. And then also we need to do something a little different here, maybe get inside the character's mind a little bit. And then I've thrown in a literary device or technique analogy. Okay, so it's very similar to a metaphor, but here it's kind of being used as an analogy. All right, so what you need to do is obviously read the chapters for today and then respond to these three prompts. So again, 1 or 2 sentences is fine. So, how's Tea Cake taking Janie to all these different places different from how she was treated by her previous husband? So it sounds like an easy question, but it's really just me checking, have you read? Think back to how, what her life was like with Logan, what her life was like with Jody, and how things are different now with Tea Cake, okay, or Veritable Woods, whatever you want to call them. Okay, second question, what phrase does Janie use repeatedly in these chapters, 9, 10, 11, and 12? Okay, she says the same thing about him all the time. Okay, so what do you think she means by that? Why does she call him that? All right, so again, there is no right or wrong answer. I don't know. I can't get inside her head. Okay, I have an idea of what I think she means, but again, think back to all the things that she's been going through. Okay, she's now widowed. She's darn near 40. She got this young dude kind of knocking on her door, kind of wooing her. All right, so just think about those things. Okay, and then lastly, use dictionary.com. Look up the term analogy. And then in chapter 12, the reading for today, on page 156, I want to say it's kind of right in the middle. Tell me what Janie is comparing to a high chair / stool based on that definition. And obviously based on what we know about Janie and what we've seen in the novel. Okay, so as always, type that up, send it my way. Again, if you're missing anything, just do it, label it, turn it into me. Okay, so again, I got 110 students, so cut me a little slack here and just label some things that makes my life easier. Or again, if you think you did something and I missed that grade, resend it, label it, resend it so I can recheck it. All right, okay, see you guys.